Hello student, welcome to Department of Zoology, Sri Mulika Devi Mahavidyalaya, Nigoz. Today we are going to discuss the remaining points of chapter number 2, that is to study the general features of Kingdom Animalia. In previous video lecture, we was already studied some important features of Kingdom Animalia. For example, what is metamerism, then level and grade of organization, then habit, then shape and size of animals, then symmetry of animals. Now today I will discuss with you remaining points, or it will be called as remaining features of Kingdom Animalia. So let us start to study the general features of Kingdom Animalia. Notochord. Notochord is mesodermally the middle layer of cell or tissue of embryo. You can just watch or look this diagram. You are easily understood what is the notochord. This one is notochord. It is located on dorsally middle layer of cell or tissue of embryo, or the parts derived from these. Which one? For example, cartilage, muscles, and bones. You can easily identify these are the notochords located on dorsal side, middle of the animal body. It is rod-like structure. Now, I will try to draw the structure of notochord. These are the whole structure of notochord. It is started from the just anterior region to end with posterior region. So it is rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during the embryonic development in some animals. The animals with notochord are called chordates. Which animals? Those animals have the notochord. Such type of the structure are present in animals. Those animals called as chordates animals. And those animals which do not form the structure are called non-chordates. If the some animals do not show the this notochord, it is belong to the this group named as non-chordate. For example, Purifera to phylum Echinodermatans animals. These animals are belong to non-chordates group, or they are never show notochords in their body formation. Now, next features of Kingdom Animalia, that is coelom. The body cavity, which is lined by mesoderm, is called as coelom. Presence or absence of cavity between the body wall and the gut wall, it is very important for the during the classification of animals. If you want to classify the animals on the basis of coelom, you can easily distinguish the animals having the cavity. It will be separate out in separate group, and those animals doesn't have the cavity is easily separate out in another group of animals during the classification. Animals have coelom are called as coelomates. Animals have the coelom are called as coelomate animals. For example, annelidans, molluscan, arthropods, echinodermatans, hemichordates, and chordates. These group or this phylum of animals are always show coelomic cavity in their body. That is called as coelomate animals. And those animals do not show the cavity, it will be called as acoelomate animals. I hope you are understand what is the function and structure of coelom. The animals which which the body cavity is absent are called as acoelomatic. This point is already told you. For example, platyhelminthes. These are the group of animals, or it will be called as phylum Platyhelminthes. It is empty or open space cavity is present in whole the Platyhelminthes group. You are easily understand what is the silo and notochords. Notochords, it is present in central line of animals, and they give the strength, they give the support to animal's body. Cavity, it is present between the body wall or gut wall. For example, annelidans, molluscan, arthropodans, echinodermatans, then hemichordates and chordates animal, they show coelomic cavity, and the platyhelminthes does not show the coelomic cavity in their body structure. I hope you are understand these two features of kingdom Animalia. Now I will start the next point, that is to study the animal systems. You know, animals' body are show some systems for performing different types of functions. So let us start to study the systems present in animal body. First one, that is skeleton. You know, the skeleton support protection or bones, snail, cartilage. These are some species that are called as prokaryotic invertebrates. When the skeleton is present outside the body, it's called as exoskeleton, that is the insect mollusca. Among the vertebrates, the skeleton is internal and are called as endoskeleton. It includes bones and cartilage. If you can study the animal system, it is very important to study the structure of body, which material, which organs, which tissue are present in your animal body. For example, that is called as skeletons. Skeletons is particularly useful to give the support, to give the protection, cell and cartilage. These are the some important features are present in animal body. Next one, that is integumentary systems. The organs involved in this system is skin and its various diverse, that is hairs, scales, feathers, nails and horns. These are the organs are included in integumentary systems. The primary functions of skin is protection, but performing several other functions. For example, in your in your molluscan and in your insect, they are acting as respiratory organs also. In some species of molluscans and insect, they use their skin for the respiration, and other higher amphibians animals, they show their skin is useful for respiration. Next one, that is muscular system. Movement of muscle. There are many different body planes. It is connected with movements which includes locomotion of the individual, or it will be called as animals, and also the movement of different organs. For example, heart, alimentary canals. You know, heart is continuously show the locomotions, so it is necessary to provide proper system for uh, heart muscles, that is muscular system is uh, provided to heart to perform their function. Then alimentary canals, they are contract and relax during the feeding mechanism, so they want to the some movement. So your muscular system, they give the support to this function, and your animals can easily perform their functions, different types of body or physiological function inside the body by using these systems. Next one, that is digestive systems. It is responsible for nutrition. You know, if you can feed some food material, it is necessary to digest the all the food inside the body. So one particular system are developed inside the animal body that is called as digestive system. So it is called as, it is responsible for nutrition. Different organs include within this system, such as, you know, teeth. It is a separate systems, teeth for the to taking the to just cutting the food material, or to make a small piece of food material. Then tongue, esophagus, stomach, intestine, liver, and pancreas, these all the organs are perform another function or different types of function, all are included in digestive system. For example, stomach, it is useful for storage of food material. Then intestine, again it is useful for storage of digested undigested food material. Then pancreas secrete some digestive juices or some digestive enzymes for uh, sorry, liver and pancreas are secrete these enzymes for digestion of food material inside the body. So it is helpful for the easily to digest the food material inside the animal body. Digestion in sponge, it is intracellular, where in coelentratans it is both extra and intracellular. Means according to animals, it is different types of digestive systems present in animals. By using this system, they can perform their nutrition, they perform and complete their nutritions. I hope you are understand what is the functions and function of different system in. Next one, that is respiratory system. This system is one hand ensure to require of oxygen in tissue, and on the other works to evacuate the carbon dioxide from the tissue. In lower metazones, in lower metazones, zoa, gases diffusion takes place through the general body surface. That is, most of the skin, gills, branchia, tube feet, and respiratory are the organs of respiration. And in the higher chordates, gills, skin, lungs are the organ of respiration. According to animals, animal to animal or species to species, I already told you the respiratory system. For example, in your amphibians, the most of amphibians generally use the body surface or moist skin for the respiration or changes of oxygen. Gills, branchia, these are the usefuls in aquatic animals for the changing the oxygen, exchange of oxygen. And in higher chordates animals, they show gills in and lungs for the respiration. Means this all total system is together, and they sorry, the different types of organs are together and make the respiratory system that will be easy for the exchange of oxygen inside the animal body, and they complete their all the respiratory functions in very easy way. I hope you are understand what is the systems or what is the structure of systems include in animal body or involved in animal body. Next system, that is excretory systems. Metabolic activity produce waste product. You know, after the feeding of food material, some waste material is always formed. So metabolic activity produce waste product. These substances which are chiefly nitrogenous, you know, this nitrogenous product is hazardous to our body. So it is necessary to remove out or to excess out from the body. So for this purpose, the animal body made up or they develop excretory systems to remove out the undigested nitrogenous waste product from the body. It is called as excretory system. According to animals to animal or group of animals in sponge or coelentratans, excretion takes place through the direct diffusions through cell membrane. According to animals, the excretory system again different types. They are used, for example, sponge and coelentratans. They are used direct diffusion systems for the excretion. Nephridia, it is used in Annelida and mollusca. Malpighian tubules, that is present in group of insect. Phagocyte, that is ectoderms, and kidney, it is present in higher chordates. These are the organs used in during the excretion. All the organs are they performing the excretion or to remove out the product, unwanted product from animal body, that is called as excretory system. I hope you are understand what is the function and structure of these all the system involved in animal system, animal body according to group of animals. Now last point, that is nervous system. It is made up of a special kind of tissue, namely as nervous tissue. That is nervous tissue. They are useful for the coordination and uh, transforming impulses or information from one organs to another organs. That is, it is connective connective network of nerves. They are working as to transformation of the information from one organ to another organs. This system is very helpful in performing all the coordination in between the body. I hope you are understand today's lecture. If you have any difficulty, any problem, you can ask me in comment box. I will give the answers. So thank you very much to all of you for today's lecture. Thank you.